In this straightforward tutorial, learn how to download and install CCleaner to enhance the performance of your PC. CCleaner is a powerful tool for cleaning up temporary files, optimizing system settings, and improving overall speed. Follow our step-by-step instructions to ensure a hassle-free installation process. From downloading the software to configuring basic settings, we have got you covered. Watch this video and discover how CCleaner can make your PC run faster and more efficiently with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to unnecessary clutter and enjoy a smoother computing experience. Step 1. Visit the CCleaner website. Step 2. Click on the free download button. Step 3. Run the downloaded installer file. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions to install CCleaner. Step 5. Uncheck additional software offers during installation. Step 6. Once installed, launch CCleaner. Step 7. Click on Analyze to scan for unnecessary files. Step 8. Click Run Cleaner to remove the identified files. Step 9. Explore other tools like Registry Cleaner for additional cleanup. Step 10. CCleaner is now installed and helping optimize your PC.